Hello guys, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what GoPro sent me and why I'm pretty mad about it. Okay, so this is one of the main reasons why what caught my eye and mainly was making me return this GoPro. So basically what happened is, as you can see, GoPro branding on it, right there and there, and as you can clearly tell, it's bent. And I am gonna show you, this is a normal USB-C cable, nice and flat. This is the one that they sent me. Very bad. Normal, bad. Normal, bad. The second thing that makes me believe that this GoPro is a refurbished GoPro is look how many scratches are on this thing. You can see it especially there. All these scratches. It's almost like someone kept sliding something in and out multiple times, and that would cause these scratches. But yeah, as you can clearly see, loads of scratches. As everyone can clearly see in this video, I'm pretty sure that these provide reasonable evidence for me to return the GoPro. So in conclusion, obviously I'm very disappointed. Like, I wanted a GoPro to record with and play around with so I could get some cool mountain biking shots, but luckily Amazon is being really nice about it. They're letting me send it back. So I should be getting a replacement very, very, very soon. And I hope I see you guys back in another video. See you later.